The 4 sounds of the shofar. Tki'ah, 1 long blast. Shvarim, a set of 3 short blasts. Tu'ah, 9 short blasts. Tki'ah gdola, 1 very long blast. Check out my book series, Learn to Read Hebrew in 18 Steps, if you're interested and really serious about mastering reading Hebrew. All the vowels in my books are color-coded. That's going to make a huge difference, and you'll be able to read Hebrew accurately, fluently, and independently. For more information, go to HebrewGuru.com. I would like to pause for a second and explain to you the Hebrew Guru color-coded vowels method. In English, we have 5 vowels: A, E, I, O, U. Similar to English, in Hebrew, we also have 5 vowels. We pronounce them differently. We have A, E, I, O, U. A as in aqua, E as in red, I as in green, O as in orange, and U as in blue. Unlike English, Hebrew vowels are symbols. They're like dashes and lines and circles. In my book series, Learn to Read Hebrew in 18 Steps, I have 3 books. All the Jewish blessings and prayers in Hebrew are color-coded.